If you're struggling to grow your job servicing business, then this video is for you because I'll be sharing my one strategy I use to grow my job servicing business. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing how you can grow your job servicing business with one simple strategy. So finally, you have found the perfect service to sell. So what is next? You keep on hunting and searching for clients every single day. Like when I first started and I was selling video editing service, I aimed to close 2 clients per day because one video editing I was selling at $100. So I was aiming to earn $200 per day. So that's why I need to find 2 clients every single day. And at the end of the month, I'll be getting $6,000 per month. So that was my goal at that point of time. Another type of services that I see a lot of you are doing is the logo design. Many people are selling at about $50 for one logo design. You have to sell many logo designs per day in order to achieve your income goal. This will really tire you down as an entrepreneur, and we do not want this to happen to you, and that is why I want to share with you my experiences on job servicing business. The objective of today's video is to learn how you can grow your job servicing business so that you do not need to work with so many clients and so that you're able to close high ticket sales. The one simple strategy in order for you to grow your job servicing business is by setting up a digital agency. Here are the 5 reasons why you should set up a digital agency. Number 1, you can sell packages that will get you higher profit. Reason number 2 is digital agency gives people the impression that you are a one-stop solution. Reason number 3 is with digital agency, it gives people the impression that you have a team of professionals. Which is very true because we are indeed hiring a team of freelancers to work for us for all our projects. Reason number 4 is you are able to leverage on different type of services. And number 5, with digital agency, you have very good chance to get clients to sign up for retainer package. With retainer packages, your job servicing business have a very good chance of getting a lot of recurring income. So what is a digital agency? A digital agency basically is a company that provides digital services to other businesses. This is going to be purely an online business because we are only focusing on the services which are available digitally. So all your projects can be transferred digitally. For a start, if you are new to job servicing, I would suggest you to try out one service at a time. So this digital agency concept is only for those that are a little bit more experienced in job servicing. Take myself for example, I started off with just purely doing video editing services. But over time, I feel that in order for me to grow my job servicing business, the only way is to offer more other related services whereby I can bundle them and upsell it to my clients. This way I can get more profit as well as getting clients to sign up for retainer packages. Now here is the exciting part. I want to introduce to you 3 different types of digital agency which are suitable for job servicing. There are many types of agency out there, but some agencies are actually focusing on other works which are offline and online. So what I want to do is want to create something which is purely digital, and another criteria is that it is easy for you to job service. The very first digital agency that is suitable for job servicing will be the creative agency. This is the exact agency that I have set up, which purely focuses on video and design services. To set up a creative agency, the services that you provide are mostly creative works which involve graphics, video, and web design. Here are some sample services for creative agency. Number 1 is logo and brand identity, website design, app design, print and visual design, social media design, packaging or label design, video production, animation, and motion graphics. The second digital agency which is suitable for job servicing will be the social media marketing agency. This type of agency help other businesses to establish social media presence. The services that you can include into your social media marketing agency will be social media management, social media advertising like the Facebook ads campaign, social content, social media research, social media strategy, profile setup and optimization. As a social media marketing agency, you can provide these services to any social media platforms. For example, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and many more. The third type of digital agency which is suitable for job servicing is the digital marketing agency. Basically, any type of internet marketing services that you can think of can be included in this type of agency. Some of the well-known services for your digital marketing agency are SEO services, search engine marketing, which is also called as SEM, content marketing, video marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, as well as influencer marketing. Digital marketing agency can actually provide much more variety of services because there are more services needed by the businesses. So you realize that social media marketing is also under digital marketing. So you need to be clear. If you want to just focus on social media marketing, then you should set up a social media marketing agency. Otherwise, if you want something more broad, something to do with website, or you want to promote more digital marketing type of services, then you should set up a digital marketing agency instead of a social media marketing agency. Before you want to set up any of the digital agency, make sure that you have hired a team of freelancer. It would be quite intimidating at first because you are offering several different services at one time. So don't be too greedy and offer too many services at one time. Start small and slowly add on the services. If you're new to job servicing and you wish to learn how to set up your very own profitable job servicing business, I have a 2-hour free mini course for you. I will leave a link up in the cards above as well as down in the description box below. You can also find many other job servicing tutorials around my channel. I have a playlist on job servicing alone. You can check out all the tutorials over here and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!